Boyee's Oxide solid electrolyte complete production line equipment is shipped again. From a successful delivery of the 1,000-ton project in Hubei to commercial-scale production validation with leading companies. From the commissioning of China's first Oxide solid electrolyte pilot line to the continuous delivery of multiple mass production lines, Boyee continues to transform laboratory technologies into industrial-scale manufacturing. Project after project has demonstrated Boyee's capability to deliver complete production line solutions covering every stage of industrialization, from laboratory development and pilot-scale validation to commercial production. What we provide is not just equipment, but a full EPC turnkey solution. From process planning and solution design to equipment manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and final delivery, we provide one-stop service throughout the whole process. Why do customers choose Boyee? Boyee is one of the first companies in China to independently develop and commercialize complete equipment systems for Oxide solid electrolyte production. We built China's first Oxide solid electrolyte pilot line and opened it to customers for process validation. We are also one of the few equipment suppliers in China that can provide complete production line solutions for both Oxide and sulfide solid electrolyte technologies. From process validation to large-scale production, Boyee helps accelerate the industrialization of solid-state electrolytes.